eyes we don't see how they could. Struggles that break our hearts in two. Sometimes blind us through the truth. Our Father knows what's best for us. His ways are not our own. So when your pathway goes deep and you just don't see, remember you're never alone. God is too wise to be mistaken. God is too good to be unkind. So when you don't understand, when you don't see His plan, when you can't trace His hand, trust His sign. Trust His sign. He sees the masterman, and He holds our youth in His hand. So don't leave us those who have no hope. All our hope is found in